What is a heat pump? A heat pump is a device that consumes electricity to transfer heat from a cold heatsink to a hot heatsink. The pump transfers thermal energy using a refrigeration cycle, cooling the cool space and warming the warm space. A heat pump may be thought of as a heater if the objective is to warm the heatsink, and vice versa, it may be referred to as a cooler on a cool day. Refrigeration cycle and process. Refrigeration cycle, the mathematical models for heat pumps. A gaseous refrigerant is compressed so its pressure and temperature rise. When operating as a heater in cold weather, the warm gas flows to a heat exchanger in indoor space, where some of its thermal energy is transferred to that indoor space, causing the gas to condense to its liquid state. The liquefied refrigerant flows to a heat exchanger in the outdoor space where the pressure falls. The liquid evaporates and the temperature of the gas falls. It is now colder than the temperature of the outdoor space being used as a heat source. Some images of heat pumps in everyday life. Principle of operation of heat pumps. Heat flows spontaneously from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature. Heat does not flow spontaneously from lower temperature to higher, but it can be made to flow in this direction if work is performed. The work required to transfer a given amount of heat is usually much less than the amount of heat. This is the motivation for using heat pumps in applications such as the heating of water and the interior of buildings. And there's a diagram of the principle of operations there as well. Real life uses of a heat pump. Chemical industry, heat pumps are used in the process of concentrating salt solutions. Rotation heat pumps are a very efficient application when the production process in the chemical industry requires hot water, with cool water being used as a source. Conventional heat pumps can't help industries in achieving this. Heat pumps are useful in textile industry for the purposes of wash water heating, space heating, and concentrating of dilute dope stream. Thank you.